Hello, welcome to Cultural Cuisine. Today we'll be making another meat dish to add in our Eid menu. Today we are making Bombay kebab. For that I have got here 500 grams of lamb mince. You can use beef mince if you want, but I've taken lamb mince. 2 medium-sized onions chopped very finely. 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour, which is available at any Asian shops. 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. I've roasted them. I've roasted gram flour as well. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I've roasted those as well. 7 to 8 whole red chilies. I've roasted these as well. Half teaspoon of garam masala powder. A good handful of coriander. 1 teaspoon of salt and 3 green chilies. So I'm going to add coriander, garam masala powder, salt and the green chilies first. And onions I'm not going to add yet. I'm going to add the onions just before I'm going to make the kebabs. And I'm going to squeeze the onions and take all the excess water out of the onions. I'm just showing you that I'm using this many onions. So I'll put this away for a while. And before I mix all these other ingredients, I'm going to sieve the gram flour before I add in here. Okay. Now before I add all my spices in my mince, I'm going to coarsely grind the whole red chili, cumin seeds and coriander seeds. You can do this in the grinder. Because I need it coarsely ground, I'm going to use the pestle and mortar. Okay, this is ready. You can see it's not fine powder, it's coarsely ground. I'm going to add this spice mix in the meat mixture. Okay, now move this away to one side. Going to give them a quick mix. The best is if you can leave the meat, as always, to marination overnight. If not, then at least give it a couple of hours for marination time. Okay, I forgot to mention earlier, I need to have 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of garlic as well, which I'm going to add in the mixture. And now give it a good mix. Okay, our mixture is ready. Now I'm going to leave it to rest for a couple of hours until our spices are all nicely mixed and has a good marination time. Okay, this is ready and we'll see you in a couple of hours. See you shortly. Okay, meat has been marinated for a couple of hours now. I'm going to add the onions. I've squeezed all the water out. You can see it's very dry. I'm going to add the onions in the mince. I'm going to give it a quick mix. It's mixed in nicely, onions. Now I'm going to start making the kebabs. Okay, I'm going to wet my hands. I'm going to take this glove off now. Done the mixing. Here I have some water in a small bowl. I'm going to just wet my hand a little bit so it's not sticky too much. I'm going to take small amount of meat, mince, and make them very small size kebabs they are. Make them round like this and then just flatten them a little bit. So this is the sort of size of the kebabs will be. I'm going to make the all like this. Just flatten them a little bit. Need to flatten a little more. Because when I fry them, they will shrink and they will go round, cross between kofta and a kebab shape. They're supposed to be even a bit smaller, but I'm making them slightly big. All the kebabs are shaped. Now I'm going to fry them. I've already put a pan with the oil in. It's on medium heat, and I'm going to add the kebabs one at a time in here. When they're a little bit brown, they will start coming to surface, and then you can change them, turn them over. Turn over and see, it's started to change color. Turn them over. I'm deep frying them. You can obviously, if you want, you can air fry them, but they come out really nice when you deep fry them. Nice and lovely golden brown color. They're they're ready to come out now. I'm going to do the same with all the rest of the kebabs, and I'll see you when they're all ready. Here our kebabs are all ready. I'm going to break one and show you. It's all fully cooked nicely and it's still nice and moist. It's not raw inside. I'm going to serve them in a baguette as a sandwich. Obviously you can serve them with any sauce, any dip. You can enjoy them as it is. I'm going to put a few salad things, salad tomato, some lettuce, I'll add a bit of crunch, some cucumber pieces, and add a few kebabs in there. And here are the sandwich, the perfect Bombay kebabs. You can have them with sauce, chutney, raita, yogurt dip, anything you like. Here it is, perfect Bombay kebab. Remember, if you have not subscribed my channel Cultural Cuisine, please subscribe it, and if you like the recipe, share it, give it a thumbs up, and press the bell icon to receive the upcoming recipes for new videos, and you will receive the notification. Thank you for watching Cultural Cuisine. We'll be back with another exciting recipe. See you soon.